Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Sanford Kahn here, business author and speaker. Welcome to this YouTube video, and I'll try to keep it short. What is a big no? What is a big no? Appreciate it if you get some information from this video, if you glean some information from this video, if you could subscribe to my channel, hit the like symbol, and definitely leave a comment. I do read the comments, okay? What is a big no? Before I get into the big no, just a little background. The United States, and probably other Western countries, but I'll focus just on the United States, is in a massive credit or debt bubble. When I say massive, it's an historic credit or debt bubble. There's nothing in our history as big as this, not even 1929, 1930. That's small potatoes compared to this. The last thing you do, the big no. So what is the big no? There's your no. Crude but effective, okay? What is the big no? You never, no matter what your political persuasion, Democrat, Republican, Independent, whatever, you never raise taxes when you're in a massive credit bubble. I'll repeat that again. You never raise taxes when you're in a massive credit bubble. Why? You will suck liquidity out of the economy. The bubble depends on liquidity. Blood, liquidity. As I call it, money is credit, money is a transmission fluid like in the car. If you take out the transmission fluid, the car just limps along. Take out enough of it, it stalls out. Same thing with money. When you withdraw money by increasing taxes, corporate income taxes, personal income taxes, I think you get my drift, you suck the transmission fluid out of the economy. What will happen? Bubbles burst. Bubbles burst. And the consequences will not be pretty. You won't have to worry about inflation when they burst. It's a deflationary depression. You do not raise taxes when you're in a massive credit or debt bubble. Never do that. You could keep them the same or lower them. If you lower them, you got to lower spending because then your deficit will go up. You got to get a handle on spending. Matter of fact, it would be wise to get a handle on spending anyways. It's really out of control. But if you lower taxes, you got to get a handle on spending. And that has to be bipartisan. Anyways, I spoke long enough. Just remember, the big no. There's your big no, okay? Never raise taxes when you're in a massive, like we are now, credit or debt bubble. Don't do it. You will burst it. There'll be no winners. There'll be no winners. You'll be impoverished. I spoke long enough. Appreciate it, ladies and gentlemen. If you could subscribe to my channel, hit the like symbol, and definitely leave a comment. I'll see you again. Bye now.